Hello, folks. Here's Marcelo Torres with Trade Wiser with one more Bitcoin and video analysis for you guys. I'm speaking directly from my daughter's room. So, once again, my office is her room. We have here the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin, and as you can see, I see that it's moving kind of not progressing the price as I spoke on the Brazilian analysis version, the Portuguese version. Okay, I see that now we have it came back to a positive relative strength here, but we are almost seeing a negative stochastic sign, which means that it might go down, or at least it's going to go sideways. Okay, as you can see, we don't have the volume moving accordingly to the price are increasing, or at least moving sideways, and volume is going down. So this is something not good. It's something that we should pay attention on. On the meantime, we can see that a we have a positive. Let me get the pin here. I have some hard time with this pin. We have some positive volume wave being built, but it is moving very, very slow. We only have 55 minutes. Actually, it was just born this this candle right here, and it's having a hard time to move forward. We have a positive sign on the pivot volume wave, but we have to see price increasing, and actually it is increasing right now. See, so my expectation is we might see the 1 hour chart moving the price up, but it might not go that far, especially because, as you guys can see, the upper and lower band are closing for the Bollinger Band. So we don't have much to grow here. Right now, it looks like 6,830, but who knows? Maybe we can do a maximum. We can just break out this and go to 6,900, maybe. Okay, but it looks like we won't go that far. I would expect to see these two bands getting even closer, even straighter, in order for it to open again. And remembering that the Bollinger Band is a reference for volatility. Okay. We have here right now that the what made me believe earlier on my Portuguese version of this analysis, I was expecting it to go up because we have the line saying that the money pressure wants to stop the negative pressure, but we still don't see that. So let's just keep our eyes on that. Okay. Right now it looks like we have positive. Yes, we have positive spread, price spread. So here we go, positive price spread. This is nice. So hopefully it would reach that 6850, 6900. Maybe. It looks like it is. And why do I think that? It's because the 4 hour chart is showing that it wants to go up on the stochastic. See, it wants to go, looks like it's changed the signal on the relative strength. No, actually, it's still negative, but it's still negative. We see that we have the MACD wanting to go up on the histogram, and we see that the it's starting to show a curve on the on the on the on the MACD line. So this is this the one is always smaller or under, which is this one right here. This one is the signal line, and this is the MACD line. So the MACD line is doing a curve. So it looked like it wants to go up as well. The only thing that concerns me is that when it was increasing, I had a volume supporting that price increase, no problem. But then when I got a negative candle, it just blew up the volume. So this is something that still concerns me. But as you can see, the stochastic wants to go up, and we see the volume wave, the negative wave fading. And we have like 1 hour and 52 minutes to end this 4 hour bar. And I had like 2 hours and 50 minutes uh, back, and it was on the same side, on the same position, which makes me believe right now that we might be seeing the bottom of this negative wave, which is right here, which is higher than the bottom of the previous wave. Okay, this means that we might go up on the 4 hour chart. We might see a bottom reversal on the 4 hour chart for Bitcoin, which is good. And see, we do have money pressure, positive money pressure going on. And we do have the line of the price spread wanting to go up and wanting to push the histogram bar with it. As we can see, the same thing we have right here. We have, if we see a bottom on this histogram, on this spread price wave here, it would be it would be not so deep as the previous one, which is a very good sign, saying that yes, we have more positive than negative um, um, situation on this movement. We we look, we have also, it's even looking nicer than the Portuguese, the time that I did the Portuguese version. As you guys can see, we are almost signing a positive short-term trend. If that happens, okay, then yes, we are going up. But it's gonna take a while because we still have 1 hour and 50 minutes to end this this candle, and we will have a second candle starting at 5 p.m. Brazil time, UTC -3, which means that it might take a while for us. And I think the best time to trade is starting from 6 p.m. Brazil time or 7 p.m. Brazil time, and it goes 12 hours in a row. Okay, until 6 a.m. the other day Brazil time. Okay, this is very good. It's UTC -3. All right. So I noticed that we have better trades starting at 7 p.m. Brazil time, going until 6 to 7 a.m. Brazil time. UTC -3. So keep that in mind. It looks like that's what's taking us to believe on. All right. So let's just keep our eyes on that. Okay. What else? But I don't think we're gonna go that far because we have resistance that he is already fighting. He already did his maximum value on that, which is 6,800, and we have a zone of resistance which goes up to 6,900. So as you can see, even though we have the 1 hour chart taking us way up there, we still have to fight with this resistance zone. Okay. But on the meantime, as we can see that the volume is kind of strange, if we look at these big candles right here, we can see that we have the same situation as we have right now. Look at that. You guys can see that. We had two positive two positive candles going up and the volume supporting it. Very nice. But then we had two big, huge red candles going down with the volume supporting it as well. My question is, won't we see this again? So this might be an answer, okay? We had nice green candles, not that big, but it was nice, and we had some volume support. Okay, good. But we don't have nice. We had doubt candles going on right here, right now. Okay, so let's just keep our eyes on that. We also see on the Heikiashi chart three doubt candles. So let's watch out. Okay, going to the daily chart. I changed right here. Look on the bottom right side of your screen. I'm gonna trace a line here. See this option right here, the log action. It's a logarithm number or scale. Okay. So what did I do here? I turned it off on this left chart. If we turn it on, you can see that these yellow circle points kind of get out of the black line. You want to see how it moves? See, it was like that. So in order to join, to trace a line using these first points right here, the bottom one and the middle one, I miss this point right here. So I get this red candle, the candle from today, I get it out of the bullish wedge. So I decided to move as I'm doing with the other charts. So I decided to turn off the log for this, and then I get these 2 points, and there we go. We keep the third point in. Why did I do that? Because we did not see everything going down at once. That's why I kept it that way. Okay. But for now on, we have to be careful because look, on the relative strength, we are going negative. On the stochastic, we are going negative. On the MACD, we are going negative. Let's increase this MACD. This is kind of a concern. See, look, we have the histogram going way down. See, let me put the line here. Look, it's going way down. And we have the MACD line red wanting to cross its signal line saying that it is totally going down. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on that as well. I would say that we are in a definitely in a decision mode situation. We can't. It's even hard to trade because prices are not moving well. It looks to me that tonight it's Brazilian time, right? Like I said, 7 p.m. Brazil time. It looked like things are going to start getting better. But for now, we can see that the daily chart is going down. We have the pivot volume wave going down. We have money pressure going down. We have spread price going down. So it looked like they want to go down. But today wasn't a good day because we had that $2.3 trillion coming out from Fed to support the United States, which should be nice, right? Wrong, because you think, well, if we need $2.3 trillion to hold on the situation, that means that the situation is not good and might get worse before getting good. Number two, we have that issue with Russia and Saudi Arabia, that the Saudi Arabia Arabian, right? They are selling petroleum with the low price for the Asians. That's the second issue. And the third issue is still the coronavirus. Okay. So we still don't, like I told you guys, when we don't have negative issues going on, we do have the market going up. But we have three negative issues going on, which means there's no reason to go up. Let's see how it's going to end today or start tomorrow. But we do have some issues here. Okay. Just closing the analysis for the weekend, for the weekly chart, we still have that situation where the volume is going down while the price is going up. Now we have the first red candle. Let's see how that's going to work out. Okay. And that's it. We still have those negative signs. And for the monthly chart, we do still have negative signs. So if we look at the weekly chart, it's having a hard time to go up. And if it goes down, it's going to support the the monthly chart. We are looking at the daily chart, and it looked like it wants to go down, which is supporting the weekly chart. If we look at the 1 hour chart, we see that it might we still have some expectations, positive expectation here, but it might end up going down too. And if that is true, it won't hold the 4 hour chart, which means it is going to go down. So let's keep our eyes on that. All right. Okay, folks, that's it. Reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all my social network: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, TradingView, and LinkedIn. And that my disclaimer say that my opinion is just my opinion. This is that's it. Please give me a like on your give me a like on this analysis, and if possible, please, I would love to see you guys follow me. All right, that's it, folks. Thank you very much. And with this analysis on hand, now it's showtime. Take care. Bye bye.